Hey guys, so today we are going to... Are you ready? Okay. Restock this girl's supplies. So there's some of her supplies. Hi, love. You say hi. Put her diapers in her tubes, and this shelf is just a mess of my stuff and towels, and that's her shelf, and that's her shelf. I just need to get it all together, more organized and labeled. It is Saturday, so it's not normal for me to film on a Saturday just because it's crazy around here. But get it done. I'm going to start with labeling and then we'll empty it. I love their bond. We'll empty the closet and then we will put it all back in, filled up and ready to go. All right. Stick around. Okay, so here you're going to see the color change to purple because I messed up and had my Cricut on cardstock rather than vinyl, and it was cutting straight through the vinyl sticker rather than just cutting out the words. Gotta love blonde moments. Not want to bore you with and weeding them or whatever you use the tool for. Still learning all the names. Now we are going to empty all of this. I have to date check everything, so like all of this has expiration dates. Same with up here to make sure none of it's expired, and then this go through and probably get rid of quite a bit of that and just fill the rest. But all right, let's empty it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. How about this? Look at him, Mom. I noticed last month that they gave us the wrong feeding bags. I don't even know what to do with them. Because they don't work on her. So I went, and luckily I have an extra bag in her closet. That hopefully are the right ones. They are. Okay. So, I'll show you. I thought, since I'm the only one who gets the towels for the girls, I can reach there. These, I didn't realize, where's one that they can turn both ways. They can fit in this way, as long as I don't dump stuff. They can fit in this way and this way. They're pretty cool. I got them off Amazon a while ago. For all the, like, I had just my hair ties and jewelry and stuff in them. Well, still, that's mainly all mine because I put all the girl stuff in their own container. But my hair brushes, my hair things, random assortment of lotions and junk. Diapers and wipes make sense together. I'm gonna do feeding bags here. And down here, bless me. Down here is going to be all the like syringes and stuff, and that bottom one is going to be extra buttons and stuff. But you hear Sal crying, and I might have to pause and go feed a baby. But, alright, halfway through. That'll be it for this video today. I have too much on my hands with 3 kids. Gonna make them super sweet and to the point. Reorganizing, or not reorganizing, just getting it organized after I moved here. But at least this closet's done and we'll work on the next. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to like and subscribe and always stay healthy.